How to delete Telegram account from other devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Telegram account from other devices. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Telegram. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After you do that, head over to the settings on the bottom right. Now after you're there, you should find an option called devices. If you don't find devices, it might be under privacy and security. So you can head over to privacy and security and head over to devices. Now after you're on devices, you will see an option called terminate all devices or terminate all sessions. So you can tap on that to completely remove your Telegram account from other devices, or you can simply head over to a single option and then terminate that session. So just tap on terminate all sessions and you're good to go. That is how you can delete Telegram account from other devices. And that is basically it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and